What's the meaning of cognizant? Cognizant. Cognizant.
Cognizant. Cognizant. Cognizant means being aware or having knowledge of something. It refers to having a clear understanding of a situation, concept, or fact. Being cognizant requires being attentive and observant, as well as having the ability to analyze and comprehend information. It is an important quality in decision-making and problem-solving. Cognizant individuals are often able to recognize patterns, identify potential risks, and make informed choices based on their awareness. In essence, being cognizant means having a thorough understanding of a topic, which can lead to better outcomes and success in various aspects of life.